The gbege wey dey inside Social Democratic Party (SDP) don enter another level as the party National Executive Committee (NEC) don dissolve the National Working Committee wey suspended National Chairman Shehu Gabam dey lead sake of leadership wahala. Our Abuja tori pesin Rose Njagu yarn say dem reach dis decision for one emergency NEC meeting wey shele for Abuja wey the party National Financial Secretary dey as chairman. Muhammad Biu, wey be the party National Financial Secretary, tok say the crisis don dey drag for some months now, and e tok say all the peace talk wey dem dey try do no work, and the serious division wey dey now fit scatter the party if dem no act fast.
With this crisis, our teeming supporters became disillusioned that we were not providing credible leadership. This has seriously affected our supporters' enthusiasm. And we felt all these efforts we put in the last 3 years, since our last convention in 2022, somehow because of this crisis, we seem to be losing them, and we cannot afford it.
Deputy National Chairman for the North, Abubakar Dogara, tok say SDP no join any coalition of opposition parties. He still tok say the party dey ready to contest for the 2027 elections and dem still be independent political party.
The party decided to remain as SDP for the time being until when we come here, sit down together and agree. Stakeholders were engaged later and everybody agreed that the party should remain as an individual political party. That's SDP. SDP is not part of the coalition. We are waiting after the elections towards the end of the year. If the need arise, maybe there may be alliances to ensure that we succeed in the 2027 general elections.
Modibo Umar, wey now be the acting national chairman, tok say he ready to carry the party comot from the wahala wey dey ground and bring everybody back together.
Indeed, it is a great challenge and we are ready for it. As you are aware, the party is in crisis. I believe we are going to do our best to see that we unite this party. All other actions instituted by the former NWC members of the two factions are hereby stepped aside. We are drawing a line. We are going to constitute a newly disciplinary committee and the reconciliation committee to look at the possible ways to reconcile the warring factions and to discipline the culprits.
As it be now, all eye dey on the new leadership to fix the katakata before the 2027 elections. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Ohi feme onosimo, TMC News.